안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will make another 3 Korean vegan side dishes using avocados, Korean radish, and lettuce. For the first one, let's make a simple yet addictively good avocado soy sauce side called Avocado Jang in Korean. To make the special sauce for this side dish, combine the soy sauce, the water, the sugar, and the vinegar. Mix them well until the sugar dissolves. Now chop the veggie ingredients such as the onion and the green hot peppers and red hot peppers thinly. Next, prepare the avocados. It is nice to use a little firm but not completely ripened ones for this recipe. To remove the skin, cut the avocado in half and remove the skin with a knife, and then scoop out the avocado with a spoon. Slice the avocados into half-inch thick pieces. Prepare a glass storage container and place the avocado in it. Put all the chopped veggies evenly on top of the avocados, then pour the sauce over the veggies. Finally, sprinkle the sesame seed. Keep this in the refrigerator overnight, or you can even eat it in a couple of hours. The next side dish is a Korean radish jeon called mujeon in Korean. That is too delicious to stop eating it. Chop the radish into 2-inch long thin strips. Season the radish with the salt and let it set for about 10 minutes. Cut the hot pepper into tiny pieces. If you don't want hot pepper, you can replace it with 2 tablespoons worth of green onion as well. The radish is nicely seasoned, so add the Korean frying mix or pancake mix, the salt, and the water to the radish. Mix everything together. This Korean frying mix will give a crispy texture and savory flavor to the jeon, so I highly recommend you try it for this recipe. However, if you do not have it, you can just use normal wheat flour as well. Finally, add the chopped hot pepper and mix one more time. Take out a spoonful of the radish mixture, then put it in a heated and generously oiled pan. Spread it out to get a nice circular shape. Do the same thing for the other pieces of jeon and fry them for about 5 minutes on medium-high. Flip them over and fry for another 5 minutes to make them beautifully golden brown. If needed, add some more cooking oil here and there to make it extra crispy jeon. Sprinkle some finely chopped green onions to garnish the dish. The last side dish for this episode is a Korean lettuce salad called 상추 겉절이 in Korean. First, we need the lettuce. So today I will use this spring mix leafy vegetables to make it even easier. If you use normal lettuce, you can just pick out any kinds of lettuce you like and cut them into bite-sized pieces. For extra vegetables, chop the onion, the cucumber, and the red hot pepper into thin slices. If you don't want, you can just skip any of these 3 veggies because the main ingredient is lettuce. In a large mixing bowl, add all the seasoning ingredients. If you want a more savory flavor and love seafood, you can use fish sauce instead of soy sauce. But if you want more refreshing flavor, then use soy sauce. Mix everything well. Put all the chopped veggies into the bowl. Then mix everything gently. Since the lettuce is very tender, it is important not to mush them. Finally, sprinkle the sesame seed over it before serving. Please try this delicious avocado jang, 무전, and 상추 겉절이 someday. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.